For those that hesitated to purchase a fraction of the apartment in Seattle, it is now sold out. Okay, you can no longer get a fraction of this apartment at the moment. But let's take a look and see what else you can get in e-estate portfolio. So right now there is still the apartment in Miami that you can get from as little as $10, and the Seattle apartment, as you can see, this is now sold out. And I just feel bad for those people that couldn't get a piece of this apartment. But all hope is not lost, guys. Let's check the next one. Okay, next one is the Lake House. So this is still available. You can still purchase a fraction of this, and the good thing is you can purchase as many fractions of this as you can afford. Okay, so it's not limited to just one purchase only. You can purchase, let's say, 250 today minimum, and then tomorrow you can come back again and purchase another 250. It's two different contracts, okay, that you are purchasing from e-estate. And this is great because it tells you right away with the profit calculator how much you are going to get as well. Okay, now after the Lake House, we have the house property as well. This you can start with as little as $480, which to me is something that everybody can manage to get a fraction of this. And if you don't want to go for this, now remember, everything I'm saying right now is the minimum. You can go more than the minimum if you want, right? You can purchase more than the minimum amount of each of these, real estates that they have available just now. And they have the villa apartment as well. This one is going for minimum $3,120, and this will give you on a daily basis $19. Okay, so in a month you will be having around $400 approximately. Okay, which is great for just passive income coming your way, right? And bear in mind, the $3,120 is just the minimum. You can purchase more than $3,120. Okay, let's assume that you want to put in $10,000 in here. You can take out that $3,120 and just change it to $10,000. Right? And then right away it tells you how much you are going to be getting on a daily basis if you put in $10,000, right? And how much you will get in 1 month's time. Now remember, the payments, the return on investment here, which is your profit, it comes Mondays to Fridays. Okay, there is no profit on Saturdays and Sundays, just so you know. The reason why I'm saying this is to allow you to manage your expectations. Okay, now if you decide not to go for the villa real estate, you can go for the tourism one. The good thing about the tourism one is it is also sold out, so you cannot even get a fraction of this. All right, but you can go and get the one that is just above this one, which is the commerce property. You can get a piece of that as well. So you have a lot of options here, guys. Okay, it's not only the Seattle apartment that is sold out, or you want to go for the tourism one that is sold out. All of these ones, between these two that has been sold out, you can't get a fraction of them anymore. Okay, but you can purchase a fraction of the rest ones that they have on the list. Okay, so this is it. I just want to let you guys know that the apartment in Seattle that I told you about a few days ago, I did a video. I told you that you should hurry up and grab this before it is sold out. Now it is gone. All right, but as I said, you have the option to choose other real estate within the e-estate platform. So thank you very much, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know that that apartment is sold out just now, but you still have the opportunity for other real estate to get started with. Okay, now for those that are looking to join my team or to just join e-estate, the link to do so is below this video description, guys. There is a link for you to sign up, and then there is another link for you to watch a about 10 minutes video to show you how to actually register and complete your KYC, and of course how to deposit your money and how to purchase the fraction of your real estate. All the videos has been done for you guys, and they are not more than 10 minutes video. So if you spend 10 minutes to watch those videos, you will be able to, onboard yourself successfully, purchase your fraction of real estate successfully, and then sit back and allow the system to begin to generate profit for you after 24 hours, as long as you have to purchase your real estate before Saturday and Sunday. It is every 24 hours you will get your pay. Okay, and the good thing is you can also withdraw your money. Okay, and when you apply to withdraw your money, when you request for withdrawal, the withdrawal is processed within 5 minutes. So, I mean, what else are you looking for, guys? What else are you looking for? A platform that you can deposit. Your deposit will begin to generate money for you. Okay, so your money is working for you. That is it. Okay, you are using your money to make more money, and then that money that you are making, you will be able to withdraw that money as well. What else are you looking for? So I don't know why people are hesitating to make decision, but as I said, the choice is yours. If you want to join eEstate today and begin to make money like every one of us, you are more than welcome to do so with the link below this video description. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next eEstate video.